Today's claim: Qur'an predicted modern embryology. 1. Qur'an says, "We placed him as a drop in a firm lodging." Scientific reality: semen is not a him. Sperm cell is a haploid gamete containing only half of the genetic information required to form a human being. 2. Qur'an says, "Then we made the drop into a clinging thing." Scientific reality: seminal drop isn't made into an embryo or clinging thing and plays no role in any stage. The fluid is discarded entirely, and a single sperm cell, which isn't a fluid, fuses with an egg to trigger cellular division. The original drop has no structural presence in the embryo. 3. Qur'an says, "We made the clinging thing into a chewed-like lump." Scientific reality: there is no stage in embryology where a lump transforms into a bare skeleton. The literal Quranic sequence, describing a metamorphosis of the chewed thing into bones, is biologically impossible, as a flesh-like mass never transitions into a standalone skeletal structure. 4. Qur'an says, "We clothed the bones with flesh." Scientific reality: bones are never clothed with flesh because they never exist as a bare, independent frame. In human development, muscle and bone formation occur simultaneously from the same embryonic tissue. 5. Qur'an says, "Then we brought him forth as another creation." Scientific reality: there is no point where an embryo suddenly becomes a different being. Human development is a seamless, continuous biological progression of the same organism. Once the embryo has developing bones and flesh, it is already the same human being. The Qur'an makes this claim after bones and flesh stage. Side-by-side comparison. Transmission routes. In conclusion, the embryology was copied, and since every stage was incorrect, it represents human intervention rather than divine revelation.